Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ayman. Today I am going to do the translations of Surat Ash-Shr. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Have we not opened your breast for you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and removed from your burden, which weighed down your back? And have we not raised high your frame? Verily, along with everything, a hardship is relief. Verily, along with everything, a hardship is relief, i.e., there is no one hardship with two reliefs. So one hardship cannot overcome two reliefs. So when you have finished your occupation, devote yourselves to Allah's worship, and to your Lord alone turn all your intentions and hopes. And denies Al-Husna, see the footnote of verse no 6. And we will make smooth for him the path for evil. And what will his wealth avail him when he goes down in destruction? Truly on us is to give guidance, and truly to us belong the last hereafter, and the first in this world. Therefore I have warned you of a blazing fire. None shall enter it except to most wretched, who denies and turns away, and al-muttaqun, the pious, will be far removed from its hell. He who spends his wealth for increase in self-protection, and who has in mind no favor from anyone to be paid back, except to seek the conquest of his Lord the Most High. He surely will be pleased when he will enter paradise. Sadaqallahul Aliyyul Azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.